Hello guys, Asif here. Today we are reviewing Med1 side hustle. Let's start the review. So here are 20 different sources that will pay you from the comfort of your computer regardless of experience or skills. Side hustle today. This is perfect for you if you need a way to cover living expenses, want a way to work around your current busy schedule, are a college student looking to side hustle while you can study, are a stay at home parent needing to bring more into the household, want extra revenue to leverage into other business opportunities. Only $17 today. So guys, this is introductory video. I have already uploaded this on my channel, so you can, if you want to watch this video, you can check the link in description box. You will also get its link. So let's know more about Met1 side hustle. Help you get ahead in 3 simple steps. Choose one of the easy step-by-step blueprints included in your membership. Follow the instructions I have laid out for you. Perform the steps and get paid. So he's saying, let me ask you a question. Would an extra side hustle income help? Hey there, Matt Garrett here. And if you are like most people, an extra income source could make a huge difference in your life. Just one extra side hustle income source alone can change where you live, what you drive, and in some cases where your kids go to school. But where do you get that extra if you are already swamped with a full-time job? Or worse, failing to bring in any income due to the current crisis? Well, you have probably tried the online thing with no results, more than you care to count. Truth is, you need one thing to help you get over the hump to the big payday. And on this day page, and on this page, I'm going to reveal exactly what that one thing is. Read on for the details. Here's the real reason why you continue to fail online. Trust me, it's not what you think. So, you have probably had some guru or top marketers who tells you that you have got to want it bad enough or hustle every day and don't sleep. But yet, you still look up and you don't have anything to show for all the courses, coaching and events you have attended. This, my friend, leaves you feeling like a miserable failure. On top of that, you have probably made promises to family and friends that you were going to break through only to fall flat on your face. But the real reason that you continue to fail is that you still think like an employee. See, most of us are taught to become employees, not entrepreneurs. So we still have the mindset of trading time for money or doing a job. And transitioning from employee to an entrepreneur mindset takes work. So you have got to bridge the two and have income coming in while doing so. I want to share how you can start doing that quickly. The solution: you need side income coming in as soon as possible. Why side income? Because it's the perfect bridge scenario to bring your big payday plans if you have them, or if you if you just want to create income as quickly as possible. It works for that as well. Let me explain. Right now, you probably have not perfected creating money just from your ideas alone, and you have probably worked a job for quite some time. So, the only way you truly know how to make money is to trade your time for it. So, why not continue to do that while you work towards your larger goals? Having side income coming in gives you assurance and security while you work on your online endeavors. So, how can you start creating side income quickly? Well, there are a number of ways to do days. You could do menial tasks and around the neighborhood if social dis- distancing allows. Or you could try to get a part time job at the local Walmart. But you could also use the internet to help you create side income, often in a lot less time that you had expect. However, there are a lot of pitfalls and nasty scam sites out there. That's why I set out to research all the opportunities that are available for individuals like yourself to start creating realistic income from the comfort of their computer. And while you were a lot to shift through and didn't make the cut, I am pleased to announce that I have found 20 different sources that you can tap into today and start creating side income very quickly. Introducing side hustle plans with 30 days money back guarantee. So, 12 step by step blueprints complete with 20 different sources to help you earn money from the comfort of your laptop. Start your new side hustle income with just 3 simple steps. I have already read these top options. Here is what's included when you sign up today. As I said earlier, whether you need to pay bills or just want to bring in some extra monthly revenue, these step by step blueprints can help you do just that. Here's a look inside the blueprints. Legit paid surveys. There are many paid survey sites online, and to be honest, most are completely useless. Worse, some can actually scam you and put you in a worse position or you never get paid. But I have actually done the research for you and found two different sources that you can learn how to fill in simple questionnaires or give your opinion and get paid. Trustworthy work from home job FB groups. If there's one thing that's annoying, it's joining FB groups that are nothing but spam farms or big biz of heavens masquerading as work from home opportunities. So what can you do since that's case? Thankfully, I have sorted through tons of these groups, filtered and good from the bad, and found two FB groups that I would recommend that are completely legitimate. This is where you can fulfill your work from home is the dream during the current crisis. Reddit income cash flow opportunities. Think Reddit is just another site where gamers and nerds hang out. Think again. With so many subreddits out there, you will find that there are people passionate about various subjects sitting right inside of Reddit massive site. Subjects that you can monetize as the perfect side hustle. But with over thousands of subreddits to filter through, it would take you all day to find ones that you can make an income from. Not to mention, if you approach it wrong, you will end up shadow banned from Reddit. Thankfully, I have found 5 subreddits that you can start working with and get paid in record time. I will show you how it all works inside. Don't miss out on this one. Micro tasks money. So every day there are millions of people looking for help with simple tasks they are willing to pay someone else to do for them. As a matter of fact, some if not a lot of these tasks are so simple that it takes hardly no time at all to fulfill them. In the members area, I'll share 3 recommended sources that you can tap into quickly to start earning money as soon as possible. Live customer service agents. Companies are always looking for people to work in their customer service roles, especially now that the pandemic has forced a lot of companies to have their employees work from home. With social distancing and businesses turning to digital and online sales, this opportunity is creating amazing demand. I have found 2 recommended sources that allow you to work from home as a customer service agent. If customer service is your thing and you want a level of freedom while being in your pajamas, you will love this. Amazing home-based customer support. If you have a heart of if you have a heart for people and enjoy helping them, then this opportunity is for you. I have discovered one particular source that will allow you to help others and earn money at the same time. It's a win-win all the way around. Website and app tester paydays. Where else can you go and get paid to try and break something? But that's exactly what these companies will pay you to do. Before an app or website is launched, tests need to be made to see how it works and if it has any bugs, etc. And these same companies will pay you good money to try and break their developments to prepare for the public. I have found two sources that will pay you to do the above. Access them in the members area in the next 5 minutes. Above board mastery shopping jobs. These are not your these are not your run of the mill Craigslist ads that try and swindle you into some scam. Based upon our research, I have found five different sources that will pay you to go undercover and test their business. You simply report back to get paid. Perfect for those who love shopping and need to earn some extra money. Writing and content dollars. When it comes to freelance writing, proofreading, and transcription opportunities around on the internet. If you have a passion and a flair for writing, I have found the number one place where you can get paid to check others' work and or write for them. Discover this and other sources where you can find the best places to get paid for using your writing talents. Get paid for your experience. I'll show you how to use one of the top sites online where people go and pay to get answers to their questions. This is one of the best ways to use your knowledge to help others out and get paid at the same time. If you have got a PayPal account, you can start getting paid in the next 30 days. Details inside. Internet search profits. If you are like most online user, you probably spend a good portion of your day searching the internet, so why not get paid for what you have already doing? In this section, I will share you two different sources that will pay you for the time you spend searching online. Marketing focus and research groups money. Would you like to get free stuff or try out? Or would you like to get paid for your feedback on certain topics? Well, now you can do both. There are companies that crave everyday consumer insights so they can become more profitable and they will pay well for it. I have narrowed it down to two reputed sources that you can sign up with today. So perfect for earning for special occasions and holidays. So how soon can I get paid? If it really depends on the opportunity you can choose to pursue in the members area, but from what I have researched, the average time you can expect to see payment is within 30 days of getting started, some faster and some longer. Can I continue to do this forever? Absolutely. While some people just want to earn a little extra for holidays, you will find there are opportunities that will pay you year round. Plus, it's a great way to earn income while you work on building other online opportunities. This gives you the comfort of knowing you have some revenue coming in while you work on your bigger payday. Plus, I will be with you every step of the way. Take the next 30 days to try it for yourself. With 30 days money back guarantee, only in $17. So guys, if you are interested in buying Mat 1 side hustle, you can check the link in description box and also grab my exclusive bonuses for free. To get the bonuses, you just need to share your payment proof of Met1 side hustle on my Instagram. Over there, I will share all the bonuses. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.